Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at Limgas, Pangasinan 2026 press presentation, and we have here.
Hi everyone! I am Angelica Joy Bautista Flores, your Gas na Pangasinan 2025 brand!
So, hi everyone! I am Claire Arwen Kakal, your Limgas na Pangasinan Mutyat 2025. Hi!
Hello, Queens. So, for this press presentation for the Limgas Pangasinan 2026, what qualities or what are your standards for the next Limgas Pangasinan Queens?
Actually, everyone is beautiful. Everyone holds what Limgas na Pangasinan Queen is. We're just looking for someone na i-uphold yung ganda at galing ng Pangasinan, not just in our provincial stage, but also in the national stage.
Yes, so just like what she said, everyone is beautiful. Everyone has the right, I'm sorry, everyone has the quality to become a queen. And Limgas sa Pangasinan 2026 queens are just the ones that has to be who can uphold the beauty and galing of Pangasinan, and not just that, not just Pangasinan itself, but also the beauty within themselves that can show everyone the beauty of Pangasinan.
How does being Limgas Pangasinan Queen change your life?
It changed the way I see the crown, especially the crown, because I have the crown now. At first, akala ko sa crown, it will make me know people, which is true. I met a lot of people sa mga social gatherings, sa mga special events ng capital, yung mga sineselebrate natin dito sa probinsya natin, yung pag-honor natin sa mga special na tao dito sa probinsya natin. And talagang pinatamasa sa amin ni Governor Ramon Monmon Gico and First Lady Maan Tuazon Gico ang ganda at galing ng Pangasinan sa pagpapadalo sa amin sa mga special na okasyon dito.
Yes, and Pangasinan, the experience I had here in Pangasinan changed who I really am. I was just I'm a very shy girl, and I have difficulties in communicating. But because of my experiences here, I changed to a better person. Although I still have some flaws, but I'm better than before. So it doesn't just reflect the staff and the beauty of the organization of Limgas na Pangasinan. It also reflects how much Governor Monmon Goyko and our First Lady Maan Goyko does well in our province. It's a truly a wonderful experience.
So, on the lighter side naman, ano yung mga mamimiss nyo bilang Limgas Queens?
Mamimiss namin yung sisterhood, yung pagsasamahan, yung disiplina, yung respeto na ipanakita at ipinamana sa amin ng organization ng Limgas na Pangasinan at ng aming mga kasama dito, especially our team, our co-candidates. Mamimiss namin lahat yun, all the memories we shared together, all the laughter, all the smiles, all the food, ang sasarap ng food. Thank you so much po sa masasarap na food. Di ba?
Yes. Sobrang highlight po talaga ang food namin here. Masarap. Lalo na po yung mga fruits po, yung mga inaas po namin, binibigay po talaga nila.
Yeah,
So it's
to
such a,
Mesa de Amor. Thank you po, Ma'am Malu.
yes. It's the same for me, yung experiences po ni Angget. And it built yung friendship po namin. It didn't end after the pageant. It continued after the pageant. And not just with the winners, also with the other candidates. And also with the organization of Limgas. It was so wonderful, an experience that I could never forget.
This is not the end. This is the beginning of your new journey. So, kung meron pa tayo ma-crown as new Limgas Queen, so hindi naman dito natatapos yon. So, for updates on you, where can they find you? What's your social media?
Social media.
May social media account in Facebook, Angelica Flores, and Instagram, at Angea, TikTok at Angea also.
So my Facebook is Claire Arwen Kakal. My Instagram, you could also search it as Claire Arwen Kakal or Wemi.
Thank you.
Thank you.